Ever wondered why you get those annoying hiccups? Well, get ready for the wildest 20 seconds of science. Your diaphragm, this super important muscle right here, sometimes gets irritated and spasms like crazy. When this happens, you suddenly suck in air and boom, your vocal cords slam shut, creating that classic hic sound. Usually it's triggered by eating too fast, being super excited, or even drinking those fizzy sodas. Want more amazing body facts? Hit that follow button. And remember, slow down when you eat.